Hi and welcome to Show's classes. You can WhatsApp or call us at the number given on the screen for any doubts, queries of our full videos on our courses. Let's see a very interesting question up next. We have the following question. A firm manufactures a good with labor as the only input. Its production function is given with their meaning. Suppose further that the firm is a monopolist. Let's underline that. In the product market, that is important, and a monopolist in a labor market. Workers may be male, female, doesn't matter. Thus L equals to Lm plus Lf. Let the inverse demand function for output and the supply function for gender specific labor be respectively given as follows, where P is the price revealed per unit. Suppose now in equilibrium the firm is observed to hire both male and female workers but pay male workers double the wage rate that it pays F workers, that is female workers. We need to derive the exact numerical value of the elasticity of supply. The firm solves the following profit maximization problem, that is, maximize PQ minus WF LF minus WM LM subjected to Q equals to LF plus LM. P is equals to A minus Q by 2 and LF equals to WF epsilon F, whereas LM equals to WM epsilon M. Now the firm chooses the following since it's a monopolist as well as a monopolist. Maximize by elimination of P and Q, A minus LF plus LM by 2 into LF plus LM minus WF LF minus WM LM subjected to LF is equals to WF epsilon F and M is equals to WM epsilon M. Thus, using the labor supply equation to write the above problem just in terms of input prices, maximize A minus WF epsilon M plus WM epsilon M epsilon F by 2 WF E epsilon M plus A. I have written the full equation as follows. Now we'll find the first order conditions and thus we'll get the answer. So let us see the first order conditions written over here as FOC. Therefore FOC is A minus WF plus WM epsilon F epsilon M whole divided by 2. Okay, I'll do all this calculation in one go so that you can see it all in once. You can pause and check what I have written. Thus this is the first order condition. Now it can be written and divided as, now this is what we get by dividing the above two equations. Thus now using epsilon M epsilon F equals to 1 and omega M is equals to 2 omega F, we get epsilon M equals to 2, epsilon F equals to half, and these are our answer. Well, that was the end to that question. You can like, subscribe and click on the notification icon. Please WhatsApp or call us for our full videos on our different courses. If you have any questions, you can still contact us at this number. Stay tuned as we'll be solving many such questions in future. Thank you for being a part of Show's classes. See you soon.